Precision in motion. Made in India, made for the world. Welcome to Panacea Medical Technologies, a leader in designing and manufacturing advanced radiotherapy and radiology equipment. From our meticulously planned 3.5-acre campus in Malur, Karnataka, Panacea supports clinicians worldwide and merges precision engineering with innovation, thus saving lives. Our commitment to Make in India strengthens national capabilities and builds a globally competitive healthcare infrastructure. Guided by the triad of people, process and technology, our 7-block facility enables seamless design, development and delivery of cutting-edge radiotherapy and imaging equipment. Operating 24 hours a day, our plant ensures continuous production and responsiveness to global demand. As a proud beneficiary of the Government of India's PLI scheme for medical devices, Panacea is actively advancing the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision within the realm of cancer care. Every product undergoes stringent quality checks, meeting global standards with certifications such as ISO, FDA 510K, CE 1434 and more, ensuring 95% global market access. Built for innovation and scalability, our facility ensures timely delivery, continuous improvement and world-class serviceability. Every product that leaves our gates carries the touch of 7 dedicated pillars, each playing a crucial role in our manufacturing journey. It all begins at Rakshak, our initial security point. More than just a checkpoint, it's where vigilance ensures safety, compliance, and smooth operations around the clock. Welcome to Parmanu, the powerhouse of precision. Here, critical X-ray components are developed with unmatched accuracy, forming the core of our imaging solutions. Where vision meets structure, Yantra begins its work. Every bolt, every wire, every weld reflects disciplined craftsmanship. This is the forge where innovation is grounded in mechanics. In Yantra, engineering takes shape. This is where mechanical components are crafted and wire harnessing comes to life, ensuring every system is structurally sound and functionally flawless. Yantra is more than manufacturing. It is the foundation of performance and trust. At Sammilan, synergy is in motion. This is the nerve center where each component meets its counterpart, coming together in harmony to form the final product. Srushti is where innovation is born. From image processing to quality analysis, this space fuels our commitment to intelligent, future-ready healthcare solutions. Our success is built on a talented, multidisciplinary team of highly skilled engineers, medical physicists, product designers, and healthcare experts. Lepan gives every product its final touch, both in form and function, through our surface preparation process, powder coating and painting. We ensure impeccable finish and long-lasting durability. And finally, Akshaya Patra is the fuel station of our workforce. Our canteen keeps the energy flowing, serving nutritious meals that fuel our teams through every innovation. Together, these 7 pillars uphold the Panacea promise of precision, innovation and care. Siddharth 2, Panacea's indigenously developed linear accelerator LINAC, marks a landmark achievement in India's journey towards self-reliance in the field of advanced cancer treatment. Engineered with cutting-edge technology and clinical precision, Siddharth 2 delivers high-quality radiotherapy, ensuring exceptional imaging accuracy, streamlined treatment workflows, and unparalleled patient safety. Modular, scalable, and designed for diverse cancer centers from urban hubs and rural regions across India and beyond, our flagship product is already installed in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 locations, proving its universal applicability. As India's first and only indigenously developed LINAC, Siddharth 2 not only brings global standards to local care but also reiterates Panacea's unwavering commitment to making world-class cancer treatment both accessible and affordable. Also born from Panacea's innovation ecosystem is LILAC, our advanced digital radiography system. Featuring dynamic imaging, superior resolution and ergonomic design, LILAC supports a wide range of diagnostic procedures, redefining diagnostic confidence for clinicians. At Panacea Medical Technologies, we are not just building machines, we are building the future of cancer care and diagnostic excellence, proudly designed, engineered and manufactured in India for the world. Connect with us. Explore more at www.panaceamedical.com.